Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ankush. In our today's lecture, we are going to learn about how cloud is really important for the big data technology for the Hadoop development profile. So if you want to start your career in the Hadoop development, then obviously there will be a question in your mind that okay, do we really need to learn the cloud technology? Let me tell you the honest answer is nowadays if you are looking for the job in Hadoop development, the recruitment team is expecting that you should have some knowledge about cloud things. So now there are multiple vendors are there in the cloud, like we have GCP is there, which is Google Cloud, AWS, Azure is there, Oracle Cloud. You take any cloud actually. Okay. So you should know any one of the cloud. It's not like we should know only Azure only, or we should know only GCP or AWS, any specific, not like that. Any cloud, if you have some knowledge about those services which are related to the big data, definitely it will be really helpful for you to grab the opportunity. And one more thing is like, do you really think that all the projects are using the cloud technology? Not like that. So especially for the banking project, if you take any banking project, usually they are not going on the cloud. They are mainly dealing with the on-premises cluster. So it's not compulsory that every project will have a cloud technology. But yes, the expectation is like if there is some chances that they want to move their data to the cloud technology, or maybe it's a migration project or anything, in that case, the expectation is that you should have some knowledge about the cloud. So if you are starting your career, if you are preparing yourself for Hadoop development profile, just take any cloud. You can take AWS and then just start practicing yourself on the AWS platform. And every cloud platform is providing some of the free credit also. If you take the example of Google Cloud, Google Cloud is giving you some $300 just to do some practice. And again, your Amazon AWS services, that is also giving some of the free credit for 1 year, I guess. Yes, there are some of the restrictions are there, and if you're interested, then you can just little bit, you can also use some of the credit from your side also. That is possible. Only the thing is, you should always checking your bills. That is important, because once you create a cluster, let's say you are creating a cluster on your AWS and your work is completed, you can delete that. You don't need to use that, because if you are just using it and even not doing anything, still the charges will be there, because anyway the resources has been allocated already. So you should be very careful with that also. But like, if you take my experience, then it will not be a much charges also, just for the practice purpose. You can create it, use it and delete it, again create it, use it and delete it. So this is how you can learn the cloud technology. So if you want to start your career with the big data, again it is important to have a knowledge about the cloud technology. But yes, there are many colleagues, connections are there in my profile. They were not having the knowledge about the cloud, but still they have got a good hike and they are now working as a big data developer also. It's possible. But you should be at least knowing the core technology, like Spark is there, Hive is there. This technology you should be pretty much good. And again, like as soon as you enter into the new project, obviously you will learn any technology. That is the behavior of IT engineer. So that's not a problem. But again, my recommendation to everyone is create your account on Google Cloud or AWS, which is completely free of cost. Use their free credit and start learning the cloud services. Just search there with the cloud services related to the big data. You will have a services like EMR will be there in same services. If in Amazon they are giving some different name, in GCP they are giving some different name to the services, but at the end their working is same. In Google Cloud we are calling it as a data prop, and in Amazon we are calling it as a EMR. Both are doing the same thing. Okay, so if you know any cloud, that's okay. You can just put it into your resume and start looking for the job. Definitely you can grab the opportunity. If you have any questions, queries, anything, let me know. And if you are looking for training, then also I can help you out. Thank you so much guys. Please do like, subscribe and share this channel. Bye bye.